Hello friends, today we're gonna see this Camel artist watercolor tubes unboxing. This painting is done by Mr. Sangik Biswas. It has 24 colors. Each tube is 5 ml, and so these are the shades listed on the box, and they have mentioned they're not the exact colors because of the printing limitations, and they have mentioned they are non-toxic. So this isn't how the box came. They were not arranged so perfectly, but I made them like this according to the back panel and listed 4 boxes of the 4 rows which I'm gonna use. I have applied tiny bit of colors on the boxes. We are starting with the yellow ochre. It looks fine, and then I have speed up the video a little bit, otherwise it will take like a half an hour for you to just sit and watch each and every color. So lemon yellow came out very nice. I really liked it. It was really the perfect lemon yellow. Even the Indian yellow looks like a little bit of turmeric. Naples yellow, when I was squeezing out, some oil was coming out, and I didn't really like the color so much. Camboge hue came out really nice. I liked it. We can use for the flowers and all. The permanent orange looks little brighter than the regular orange, like for the orange we eat, we use and all. In the next row are again warmer colors, so you can see how they have come out. Vermilion hue, I liked it very nice. The pigmentation and all is very good, so I think little bit goes way too far for these colors. We don't have to use so much paint. Scarlet Lake is very nice, beautiful. We can use these for flowers and the fall shades and all those things. I think one of my favorite color is Crimson Lake, which is crimson, which is really what I like. So it came out pretty well. So in the end you can see how they have diluted in the water. That's why I have not spread them very long. This is a light red they have mentioned, but I didn't see it so much reddish. It's kind of looks like maroonish kind of. And these are the now we are starting with the blues. Kamlin Blue, they're saying it. It came out nice. I liked it. So we can use for the night skies kind of, and water probably. And this is Persian Blue. This is the one of the colors which I like. I have used it when I was in my student days, so I really liked it. The next row is again cool colors. We are coming to this is Cobalt Blue hue. It is these paints are really thick, and it came out good. It could have been little better. The pigmentation could have been little better. This is Cerulean Blue hue. I really liked it. Probably I might use it for the dark nights. Emerald Green, I think it could have been little brighter. Yeah, the blue got mixed up with it on my brush, so I had to go and wash off the blue. Viridian hue, it's very nice. I really like the color Viridian hue. And the next one is Sap Green. It was really perfect, the actual sap green we have been seeing. So for the leaves and all, we can really use that color. It came out really nice. And the next one is raw umber. So as you can see, little bit of paint goes far. So I think I should have put the dots on the palette. So look at the raw umber, kind of brownish and greenish. So I really liked it. And this is the last 6 colors of the Kamlin Camel watercolors. Burnt umber. I liked it. We can use it for the wood, trees, or some wood things which we are doing. Raw sienna. It came out very nice. Probably the inside of the tree, the barks and all. For those things we can really use it. And this is burnt sienna. It's also very nice and beautiful. Payne's grey. I really liked it. It was really nice. I think we can use it for the dark nights and all those. I like the blue texture, blue pigment in it. And this is ivory black. Yes, you know, as the regular blacks, but I really like the pigmentation of these colors. I think I'm gonna be very happy using this Chinese white. I know we're gonna use very less, but yes, we're gonna use a lot of these. I hope you can see all the colors which came out beautiful and blended. Here I'm drawing a simple butterfly. I'm just gonna do some strokes of the butterfly. I'm not doing very detailed. For my daughter I have drawn the other one. Let's see how we can do this one. Here you can see how it came out. In the end I have used some Sharpie markers and I did the finishing, the completed painting in the end.
Yep. Enjoy of it. Make sure you do these circle thingies when you're doing a video so it can look so real.
I just started. I just let my daughter start first. I came up with a bigger number brush and started with wet on wet procedure. I started with Indian yellow, and as you can see I'm just doing very simple stroke because of the camera stand. I got the colors spilled on the other side. Luckily it was not so much. So, and then I'm going for crimson red and cobalt blue. These are the three colors I have used. And then before it dries up I am going and doing the strokes on the butterfly wings, on the wings. Here I'm coming up with crimson red. I'm trying to see if I didn't want to keep the whiteness, so I'm just going in and doing some strokes. Even on the other side I'm trying to do similar. If probably I should have if I would have drawn a detailed butterfly, I think both the sides would have come similar. As we know, the wings on both the butterflies are going to be very similar. So here my daughter is doing all the colors from her watercolor. This thing she hasn't used. She's using a different watercolor set she has, which I bought for her. She wants to use these tubes. I think the next one of the videos I will tell her to me and her will sit and use some of the videos. And I'm doing the body with the gray. It came out really nice, and just a simple stroke for the antennas. Sorry for the shake, because of the space issue it came out like that. Then I am going, after it dries, I'm making it more brighter, because I think I have used lot of water. The paper has absorbed all the color, but after I have done the second one, it came out really well. I think it's just the space issue I'm facing. Next time I'll try to do a nice fluttering butterfly. Let's see if we can come up with a good one.
Subscribe to our channel. If you like it, just